press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Today, let us see the section formula after learning the distance formula and the problems related to distance formula. This section formula is also called division formula. It is also called division formula, which is used to find the coordinates of the point which divides a line segment in the particular ratio. A point can divide a line segment in two ways. It may divide a line segment internally or it may divide a line segment externally. Suppose AB is a line segment. If the dividing point lies in the midway between A and B, then this kind of division is called internal division. ನೋಡಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿ ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಿಡ್ ವೇ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ, then we say that that kind of division is internal division. Suppose if it is AB, then it may lie outside the point B or it may lie outside the point A, then this kind of division is called external division. So this is internal division and this is external division. If A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 are the points on the line segment, then the coordinates of the point P of xy for internal division are given by P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this is called the section formula for internal division. Similarly, for these two, the section formula for external division, we can make use of P of xy is equal to mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n and my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So this is the section formula for external division. Now we can see some problems related to these two formulas. In addition to these two, we can have two more formula. One is the midpoint formula. Suppose if P is the midpoint of A and B or midpoint of AB, then we can have the midpoint formula. So which is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, the y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the section midpoint formula. This midpoint formula is a special case of the internal division. And also in the case of a triangle, if you come across the centroid, centroid means it is the point of intersection of the medians of a triangle. Then we can also find the centroid using the section formula for internal division. The centroid is denoted by G, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Nodi, these two are, that is midpoint formula and centroid formula. These are the two special cases of the section formula for internal division. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ midpoint formula ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ centroid formula ಇರಬಹುದು, ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ? section formula for internal division. Okay, one is the section formula for internal division, mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Section formula for external division, the x coordinate is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So this is the y coordinate. So section formula for external division. And then the midpoint formula is x1 y1 x2 y2 are the ends of the line segment. Then p is the midpoint whose coordinates are given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. And in the case of a triangle, we can come across the centroid. The formula for centroid of the triangle whose vertices are x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3 is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So these are the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle. Got it? Now let us see some simple problems on internal division and external division. Okay. First, let us take one simple problem on internal division. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining 2, 5 and minus 3, 8 internally in the ratio internally in the ratio 4:5. So the ratio is given and the points line joining the points, that is 2, 5 and minus 3, 8, they are also given. Write the section formula for internal division. P of xy mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. How you have to take the coordinates? First you have to take the ratio. ನೋಡಿ 4 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, x1 y1 ಅದು. 5 ಕೆಳಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, -3, 8. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ mx2 m is 4, x2 is -3 plus nx1, ನೋಡಿ x coordinate must be, x coordinate of the first point must be multiplied with n, 5 into 2 divided by m plus n. M means 4, n means 5. Okay, my2 4 into 8 plus 5 into 5 by m plus n, that is again 4 plus 5. Okay, -12 plus 10 by 9, 32 plus 25 by 9. Let us simplify this. -12 plus 10 is -2 by 9. 32 plus 25 is 57 by 9. So these are the coordinates of the point which divide the given line segment internally in the ratio 4 is to 5. Okay. Similarly, you can do one more problem. 4 comma 1, just I give the points 4 comma 1 and 2 comma 3 internally in the ratio 3 is to 2. Internally in the ratio 3 is to 2. This one problem anna madri. Agata? Okay. Now the same problem if it is used for external division. Suppose the division is external. How this problem changes? Just observe. Just I will make it as external. This formula also changes. This becomes minus. This becomes minus. This becomes minus. So these two will also be changed. Definitely. Okay. Now I will make it as externally. Same question, same ratio, same points, but the division is different. Mx2, what is the formula? Minus nx1 divided by m minus n. My2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. So just make it as this is minus. Okay. Minus nx1 means 5 into 2 divided by 4 minus 5. This is minus 4 minus 5. Minus 12 minus 10 divided by minus 1. So 32 minus 25 divided by minus 1. So this is minus 22 by minus 1 is plus 22. 32 minus 25 is 7. 7 by minus 1 is minus 7. So this is the external division. Notice same points kottidini, same ratio kottidini, division different, external division. Agale ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ internal division ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ external division ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. So just only change is here we had plus in internal division, but here we have minus in external division. So like that. Okay. You can do one more problem on external division. Minus 7 and 3 6. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇವನ್ನ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2 externally. So I hope you can do this problem. Minus 7 1 and 3 6. They are the points on the line segment. You have to find the ratio. You have to find the coordinates of the point which divides this line segment in the ratio 3 is to 2. Now let us take the problems on centroid midpoint formula. Just it is a revision, not a complete syllabus. All the problems in the syllabus cannot be dealt here. You have learnt all these problems, but just I am recapitulating what you have read. Now let us take the points of trisection. Points of trisection. Find the points of trisection. trisection of the line joining the points. Just I will give the points of the line joining the points 10, 12 and 10, 12 and minus 6, 6. These are the points of trisection. Okay. What are these points of trisection? One is point of bisection, which divides a line segment in the ratio 1:1. That is midpoint formula. Adanna point of bisection antivi. Trisection andre eno? Nodri iga ಒಂದು AB ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತದ್ದಿದೆ. If this line segment is divided into 3 equal parts, then it is called trisection. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ P ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q ಅನ್ನೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋ. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ 1:1:1. AP is to PQ is to QB. That is 1:1:1. ಆ ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ P ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ A 10, 12. What is B minus 6, 6. This is P. ಇದು 1 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ PB ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು 1 ಇದು 1 ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, PB ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 1:2 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. What is the ratio? 1:2. mx2 1 into minus 6 plus nx1 2 into 10 divided by m plus n means 1 plus 2. my2 1 into 6 plus ny1 2 into 12 divided by m plus n 1 plus 2. Minus 6 plus 20 14 by 3. 24 plus 6 30. 30 by 3 10. So this is point P. Okay. Q ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆದರೆ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. AB ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ Q ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಗ ದಿಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 2:1. ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ mx2. Again I will write the coordinates so that you feel easier. Minus 6 6 2 into minus 6 mx2 plus nx1 1 into 10 divided by m plus n means 2 plus 1. my2 2 into 6 plus 1 into 12 divided by m plus n 2 plus 1. The ratio is different. The formula remains the same, coordinates remains the same. Minus 12 plus 10 minus 2 by 3. And then 12 plus 12 24 by 3 8. So this is the point Q. So P and Q are the points of trisection. P and Q are the points of trisection. I hope you have got these points clearly. And next let us come to some problems on centroid midpoint formula. So here you have to find the ratio also. Ratio ಮೇಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ centroid of the triangle. Find the centroid of the triangle. Centroid of the triangle formed by the vertices. So let us take the vertices of the triangle as 4, 8, minus 2, 6 and 4, 7. 4, 7. Okay. What is the centroid of formula? The centroid of the triangle G is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 4 minus 2 plus 4. x coordinates ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು by 3. ಈಗ y coordinates ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು 8 plus 6 plus 7 by 3. Okay, what is the centroid? 4 minus 2, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 by 3 is 2, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 by 3 is 7. So this is centroid. Okay, centroid, important property of the centroid is that it divides a median in the ratio 2:1. You have seen that centroid is the point of intersection of the medians of a triangle. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ABC ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. BC ಯ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿದೆ? D ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ AD ಅನ್ನ ನೀ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then it becomes median. ಈ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಮೇಲೇನೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ G. This median divides, this centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. So again G divides AD internally. That is why I have already told you in the beginning, both the centroid and midpoint, they are the extended versions of the section formula for internal division. So centroid 2:1 ರೇಷಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳಿ ಎಸಿಗೆ, it meets AC at E, where E is the midpoint of AC. Here also it divides in the ratio 2:1. Similarly C ನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಳಿತೀಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that meets in the at F, again CF is 2, GF is CG is 2, GF is 1. So G divides CF in the ratio 2:1. So the centroid of a triangle divides any median in the ratio 2:1 internally. So this is the important and interesting feature of the centroid of the triangle. And then we can see some ratios to find the ratio. How we can find the ratio? Let us find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the x-axis divides the join of divides the join of 7 comma minus 3 and minus 6 comma 1. 7 comma minus 3 and minus 6 comma 1. Okay. Let us assume that not x-axis cut agate. Just I will explain. This is AB. What is A? 7 comma minus 3. Illello baratte. Idan tagolana bekidre. This is A. 7 comma minus 3. And this is minus 6 comma 1. Adu kuda alle baratte. Fourth quadrant allene. Idu diagram nimage matte confusion agutte beda. Idu k is to 1 ratio dalli divide ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. k is to 1 ಅಥವಾ lambda is to 1. So 7 comma minus 3. ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ minus 6 comma 1. mx2 k into minus 6 plus 1 into 7 divided by k plus 1. my2 k into 1 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by k plus 1. Yes. What is the ratio? Ratio is k is to 1. x-axis ಮೇಲೆ ಇರೋ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? x, 0. ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು x, 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಅದನ್ನ 0ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, k minus 3 is equal to 0. K is equal to ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? 3 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. Therefore, k is to 1, 3 is to 1. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಿದೆಯಾ? k ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸಾರಿ y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ? 0, y. ಆಗ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 0ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? 0ಕ್ಕೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್. y ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ if it is cut by the y axis, minus 6k plus 7 divided by k plus 1 must be equal to 0. ಆಗ ನೀನು k ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is how you can find the ratio in which the given line segment or the given point divides a line segment in a particular ratio. So isto nimage section formula for internal division, section formula for external division, midpoint formula, centroid of a triangle. So midpoint formula and the centroid of a triangle are the special cases of the section formula for internal division. So I hope you have got this point. In the next classes, we can move towards basics of trigonometry. Trigonometry, what is trigonometry? What is a trigonometric ratio or a function? How many trigonometric ratios are there? And what are the standard angles? What are the complementary angles? So these are some bits that you have learnt in your 10th standard. Today let us, in the next class, we can recapitulate the basic concepts of trigonometry. Okay, thank you.